love this wig from Jen Collection Hair. This is a part of their Human Hair Prime Unimax collection. I have the style KOTA in 1B. It comes in other colors. It's a 13x6 lace frontal HD 360. My whole thing is I don't want to have to do any plucking. So let's just see how pre-plucked this unit is and how pre-customized. So it's nice and stretchy back here. Since 360 we like that. And then here is what the lace frontal looks like in the front. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off in the back since I'm not going to be able to see that when I put it on. It has two combs right here in the front. And then here is your band and it is adjustable. So I'm going to adjust it. It's supposed to be glueless and you can wear it in an updo because of it being a 360. So far so good. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off in the front and then I'm gonna spray it down with a little bit of Got To Be so it stays in place. Yes, it's glueless, but since I want to pull it up into a ponytail and I feel like it might slip and slide a little bit, I want it to just have a little bit more security. That's what that Got To Be glue is gonna do. So we're gonna cut this lace off. So this one compared to the other unit I tried this one is a lot loose on the curls, a lot more loose. Even on the stock card, I feel like the pattern that I'm getting right now straight out the packaging is a lot more similar versus the other one. I had to actually brush out the curls, but nonetheless both of them are still pretty. This one's a little bit less yucky compared to the Tuppy. I'm just kind of pushing those baby hairs back because it had some real curly baby hairs in the front. I'm gonna do a little bit of plucking right here in the front to make sure that it's nice and open, and it plucks really easy. Some units be real difficult to pluck. I would do a side part, but y'all just know I don't really care for side parts on me. A middle part brings the shape of my face a lot better. So now we are going to spray it with some Got To Be. Right, y'all, so are we doing middle or side? Middle or side? Middle or side? Middle or side? I don't know. I'm really gravitating to this middle part situation, so I think that's what we're gonna do. I apologize if you are pulling for a side part. Now, Jen Collection also sent over this hair and scalp wipes. It says instant cooling refresh for your locks, braids, twists, and all hair types. It just removes excess sweat, oil, odor, keeping your hair looking and feeling fresh, light, and manageable. Now, when you use the Got To Be spray, the Got To Be spray normally adds like this little extra little cracky buildup, and I feel like this would be perfect to use on your hair to make sure it still gives off soft and natural vibe. So I'm gonna use one of these wipes to get that off. And they have a menthol scent that smells really good and it's radiating through my room. It smells really good. Use it across the hairline to remove any of that extra. Dang, that was nice. It genuinely feels soft. Oh, I love how this smells. Adding some bronzer. We're gonna need a little bit of makeup since my wig cap is a little bit further back. So I have an concealer. Now y'all know I'm not a big baby hair girl, so I'm not gonna do no baby hairs. I'm gonna just play with the front and try to manipulate it a little bit so that way it falls perfectly. Now I'm just gonna do a little light brush because I actually don't want to lose the waves that it has in it. I'm gonna zoom out for y'all in a second and give you a 360 view. Super cute. Giving very much so, you know, that natural vibe, that go-to vibe. It's one of those wigs that you gotta have in your closet, you know? It's just one of them wigs that you gotta have in there because it's an everyday look. It's an easy look. It goes with any vibe that you got going on, whether you chilling with sweatpants, your loungewear, or your go out wear. It's that type of hair. It's giving a vibe. And I would say it looks exactly how it looks on the packaging, except for the fact that you could put it up, and I ain't tried that yet. But I like how full it is. Has a lot of space in the back. It did do a little bit of shedding, not gonna lie. It gave me just a little bit. Just a little bit. It was enough that I felt it hitting my legs. So I was like, oh, it's shedding. But it's not OD. I promise it's not too much. So it has a little layer in the front. We got some nice fullness right here in the front as well. So it frames the face. Y'all know I love a good, I ain't gonna say it. It frames the face, okay? That's how I like it. I like them to look like this, and this is my type of curl too. I do love a loose curl, so I love that these are loose but still defined at the same time. You get it? And then let me give you 360. 360 is a vibe too, right? Y'all gotta try this wig out. Add it to the cart. You know where to find them in my description bar, of course. I would do this like if I had to run out the door right quick. It's pulled up though, and then you know with the lace pulled down in the back, you can't see no lace, so it's just a vibe.